Hello and welcome to Steve Walker Guitars. Today I'm coming to you from the comfort of my living room. It's cold outside, but the workshop is warming up. I've got a cup of tea and I thought, right, I'm in the process of editing the footage from the work I've done this week. So I thought, why not do this part here? So here I am. And the work that I've been doing this week has been on the body. It's been great fun. You may have seen a little teaser video I put up Wednesday, just to show you where how the body's looking. I tried not to give too much away, but I couldn't resist. I'm really pleased with how it's looking, and it was a lot of fun to do, so I thought, well, why not? I'll share it with you. But yeah, you're going to see more leading up to that on the body. So anyway, that's enough waffle from me. Let's get on with the video, and I'll see you after this. So there you have it. That's the build so far. Coming up in the next video, I will be doing the electronics and just putting the guitar together, and hopefully getting a little bit of a little demo out of it. I'm still waiting on bridge parts, which I'm hoping will be here by Wednesday, or before Wednesday, to be honest. I want the video uploaded by Wednesday, so all being well, Wednesday you will see that video, and then I will be once it's had a full setup, I will be doing a demo, a final reveal, if you like, although Wednesday will be the spoiler for that, providing it all goes well. If the bridge doesn't arrive in time, I will be I have got bridge pieces I'll be using, although they're not color coordinated. They'll do the same job for the build, but more on that on Wednesday. So if you've enjoyed the videos that I've been doing, if you enjoyed this one, give us a whole thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel and you enjoy it, please hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell notification as well to be notified as to when the next video is out. And feel free to share, let your friends know. Or if you want to punish someone you don't like and you don't like the video, again, feel free to share, tag them in it, send them my way. And look out for the next video on Wednesday, and take care. Have a good weekend. See you soon.